Hey Abby, I just saw your email. If you have questions after this video, of course we could set up a Zoom. But here's your customer list. Here's your query. Now your query was only supposed to show United States. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the customer list. I'm going to go to create a query. Use the query wizard. We'll do simple. Okay. We'll put in everything. I'm going to go to next. I'm going to modify it because I only want the US customers, so I'm going to hit finish. This way now it opens in design view, and underneath the country I'm just going to type United States. I'm going to hit run, and now you just get the list with the United States people. So like for anything, like last week, wasn't it, we just needed the office equipment. So underneath the correct thing, you would go to the design view, and underneath the correct column, you would have put in office equipment and hit run. So here was your original query. Whoops. Here was your original, and here's the correct. So if you have any questions, just email me back and we'll set up that Zoom. Oh, but on this one, you forgot to do your report because this was a table, the query, and the report. So you forgot the report, and that's why more points were taken off.